unbelievable extreme situations. Let's discover what these machines have to go through. The sound of rock breaking echoes throughout the entire day. The Hyundai excavator, weighing over 50,000 pounds, uses a powerful hydraulic hammer to continuously smash through hard rock layers in the mining area. Its long boom drops down with precise movements, sending cracked rock exploding across the ground. The gigantic steel beast begins roaring across the massive worksite. The Caterpillar D11T, weighing over 230,000 pounds, uses a nearly 850 HP diesel engine to push massive amounts of dirt and rock. It clears paths through brutal terrain inside enormous mining operations. I never thought it would happen, a terrifying crane accident. The massive machine was being transported onto a boat, but the enormous weight caused the lifting cable to snap instantly under pressure. The machine came crashing down with a thunderous impact that shook the entire area. This operator must be highly skilled at handling heavy excavators. He controls the CAT 385C LME, weighing over 190,000 pounds, powered by a nearly 530 HP diesel engine to dig and move enormous amounts of dirt and rock in harsh mining environments. If you like this machine, comment 1. This transport operation is beyond imagination. The excavator is being transported by cable system, suspended high in the air like a real-life adventure. The gigantic steel machine is tearing across the massive field. The Cat 627K, weighing over 90,000 pounds, uses twin diesel engines producing nearly 800 HP to move while cutting deep into hard ground. Its huge scraper bowl lifts massive amounts of soil and transports them to another filling area at speeds close to 35 miles per hour. Subscribe now to watch more giant machines and incredible heavy transport operations like this. Looks pretty unusual, doesn't it? This is a chain trencher machine weighing over 40,000 pounds, using a massive cutting chain fitted with hundreds of sharp steel teeth to dig trenches deeper than 6 feet. It tears through dirt and rock, then throws all the material to both sides using a gigantic mechanical conveyor system. Comparing the Flexi ROC D65 and the DI 550 Limestone, both are gigantic drilling machines. The Flexi ROC D65 uses a hydraulic drilling system with more than 300 HP and a long drill boom that continuously drives deep into the ground. Meanwhile, the DI 550 is more flexible on rough terrain, using a high-speed rock drill to power through hard limestone layers. This type of transport operation happens all the time. The P. Feenstra HSC 1000A3 crawler crane slowly rolls across a massive heavy haul trailer along a huge industrial roadway. Its specialized transport unit, powered by a 284 HP Cummins diesel engine, is still strong enough to keep the gigantic hydraulic system operating steadily throughout the journey. It completely takes over the entire lane. The heavy haul truck is transporting a massive pressure vessel reactor. Equipped with a powerful engine, the tractor unit is built to carry enormous loads like this, moving through long stretches of road toward the installation site. What the heck is this? After the accident, the car could no longer move, and it was finally being rescued by a crane, but the cable snapped, causing the car to fall down even worse. Next is one of the largest transport operations in the world. The high-pressure gas vessel is being moved to the installation site, transported by a massive heavy-haul truck. Powered by a nearly 600 HP diesel engine, it carries industrial loads stretching dozens of feet across narrow roads and dangerous terrain. Dust and smoke fill the entire space, looking more intense than ever. A long convoy of trucks is transporting cargo up the mountain, forcing them to cross dangerous mountain roads. Each truck weighs more than 60,000 pounds, slowly pushing forward. Perfect coordination always creates incredible results. The Sleipner E250 operates as a heavy excavator transport system, allowing the excavator to climb onto the wheeled platform and move quickly between mining areas. The excavator continuously lowers its bucket deep into the ground, loading massive amounts of dirt into the dump truck. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep exploring powerful giant machines and incredible operating moments like these.